Nature is shrouded in mystery. Mountains, hills, and jungles are my second home. I am John Walker, and I have been trekking for 25 years. And I'm not about to stop. At least not yet. The path that I have chosen is important to me. The bigger the challenge, the better. On this trail, you have to walk strong as if you wore armor. Swim every lake and river without fear of what's within. Exude bravery and confidence without a hint of fear. Run through the jungle like your backyard. See through the dark like a predator. I like to break barriers, go on exciting adventures, and make new achievements. Learn to enjoy, understand, and relish the moment. Because it's only when we understand that we truly enjoy what we do. Leave a legacy worthy of your name. F-150. No tough, no safe.